A very good morning to all my dear students. Students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Ananya Morgil, class developer of Emerging 2. So students, this is your today session. In this session, we are going to cover our English subject as well as our creative subject. Okay, for that you have to bring out your writing skills book. This is your writing skills book, child-centric writing skill perfection toolkit joyful D. Fine. So let's open your book. So you all have to bring out your writing skills book as well as you must have a sharp pencil and eraser in your hand. Okay, because for writing, pencil is very much important. So today we are going to cover our page number 8 from your book. So you all have to open page number 8. So I am going to open our page number 8. You can cross check it. You have to open your page number 8, come down and check what is the number. Wait. So, as you see on screen, this is your page number 8. Okay, the number is mentioned below. So, you all have to cross check the page number. So, in our previous session, what we are doing, I'll introduce you three letter words with I sound. है ना? So, this is your letter I. I introduced you all the three letter words which are with I. So what is the phonic sound of your letter I? It's E. Okay. Can you give me an example of three letter words with I? Ma'am, B-E-T, bit. Very good. Yes. Anyone else? One more example. The eager dig, है ना? This is also one of the example, the eager dig. So today we are going to cover this worksheet which is on page number 8. Okay, so here we will do a recap of all the words which is related with I. Okay, so one by one what you have to do, you have to firstly observe the picture, recognize this picture, and then you have to write the word along in the given space. Okay, but before starting this concept, what you have to do first, you have to come on top and fill this column. Here you have to mention today date, month, year. Then you also have to circle the day. What is the day today? At the initial stage, you can ask your mama that, Mama, what is the day today? Your mama will tell, you have to keep it in your mind. And then whenever you start your studies, you have to circle the day as well. Okay. The next thing is this, you have to go outside, observe the weather today, and then circle the clip art. Fine, students. So what is the caption in your book? This is three letter words with I. So today we do a recap of three letter words with I. Okay. Now let's see the information given below. Okay, what is written over here, student? Trace over and write. So the very first row is already done for you. You just have to trace it, है ना? आपको trace करना है. But rest of the space here आपको खुद से write down करना है ताकि आपकी formation practice भी हो. Okay, and students, one thing you have to keep it in your mind whenever you do writing part. आपको फॉर्मेशन वैसे ही बनानी है जैसे आपको बुकलेट में गिवन है. यू डोंट हैव टू come out of the blue box, you don't have to become in the red line. Okay, जैसी formation है, if W is in between blue lines, so you also have to form a W like this. Okay, as well as same with other letters, you have to follow the same pattern. Fine. Okay, so let's observe this worksheet first and then we will start with the writing part. Okay, now one by one you have to see the picture and then you have to read this word. So what is there in this picture? There is a girl, na? She is taking part in race. So what she do? See what it's look like? That means the girl win the race. What she do? She is running and she win the race. So what is the word over here? Wo. W से कैसी sound आती है? What is the phonic sound of your letter W? It's wo. Wo I n win. Wo I n Win, right? Okay, come to the next picture. So what is there in this picture? This is a lip, है ना? Do you have a lip? Where is your lip? You have to show me. This is your lip. So what is this, students? This is a lip. So you have to try to read it with phonic sound. L, E, P, lip. L, E, P, lip. Okay, now come over here. What is this? We did it earlier. This is a zip. You have zip in your shirt, in your denim, है ना? Even in your bag, in your kit. So what is this? This is a zip. Z, E, P, zip. Okay, you have to read it aloud. Okay, now what she is doing? She is a girl. What she is doing? She is having mop in his hands. So what she do? She will dip it inside the bucket. So what is she doing? Dip. D, E, P, dip. ड डी से कैसी साउंड आती है? ड ड ई प dip, right? Okay, so one more time we will revise all these words and then we will start the writing portion. Okay, chalo, let's do a quick recap. Fine. So what is this? W, e, n, win. I can't hear your voice. You have to read it aloud. W, e, n, win. Very good. L, e, p, lip. ल ई प लिप. आपकी साउंड फास्ट होनी चाहिए. ल ई प लिप. ज ई प जिप. ज ई प zip. Very good. The e p dip. Okay, one by one you have to write all these words in the given space. So the very first one is done for you. You just have to trace it. I'm not writing it over here. Okay, I'm starting from here, but it's your duty that you all have to write it, trace it well. Okay, सबसे पहले आपको इसको ट्रेस करना है ताकि you will know how you have to make formation. Okay, then you have to start writing freely. Okay, let me write from here. What is this, students? This is w, e, n, win. So now start writing over here. W, e, w, e, w, e, n, win. W, e, n, win. What is this? W, e, n, win. Okay, come to the next picture. What is this? This is a lip. What is this? This is a lip. L, e, e sound come from your letter I, है ना? L, e, p. Who will tell me what is the sound of your letter P? It's p. What is the sound? It's p. L, e, p. Lip, right? Okay, come to the next word. What is this? This is z, e, p. Zip. Z, e, p. Zip. Z, e, p. Zip. Very good. Okay, the next word is it's the e, p, dip. The e, p, dip. Okay, come down. Now, here you all have to start again. Write this word again. You also have to speak it. W, e, n, win. W, e, n, win. Next, it's l, e, p, lip. L, e, p, lip. L, e, p, lip. Next, z, e, p. Students, my pencil is not flexible, so I am facing a little bit issue, but you all have to try to make formation correctly. Okay, please, it's a request to you all that you have to make your notebooks neat and clean. Okay, I don't want under overwriting on pages, and I don't want कि आपकी notebook जो है वो खराब हो. Okay, and write with the pencil. Don't use crayons or anything else. You must have to do it with pencils. Z e p zip, right? The next is d d e d e p dip, d e p dip, right? The e per dip. Okay, students, so this one is done. This is your first half of this page. Now you all have to come on the second half of this page. So this one is the second half of this page. Okay, as the previous one, there is also the some given clip arts to you all. You just have to see this clip arts and then recognize what is there in this picture. Okay, and try to write the words in the given space. The very first one is done for you. You just have to do it with same with the rest of the portions. Okay, so what is written over here? Write the correct word for each picture. तो यहाँ पे आपको pictures दी हुई है, so you have to write the correct word for these given pictures. Okay, so first of all, observe the picture very carefully. Fine. So, see, this is a boy. What he is doing? He is sitting on a chair. So, what he do? Sit. He is sitting on this chair. So, what you have to write over here? Sit. This one is already written. What you have to do? You have to trace it. Fine. Okay. Come to the next picture. What is there in this picture? I told you earlier in the previous session, I introduced you the same picture. What is this? Okay, you all have to revise. You have to go back, rewind the session, the previous session, the session 11. You have to rewind it. कि आपने ये picture आपने पहले भी देखी है, मैम ने आपको introduce किया कि इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is a pit. What is this? This is a pit, right? Okay, now come to the next picture. What is this? Who will give me the answer? Tell me, tell me. I am waiting for your answer. Who will tell me? Raise your hands and say the answer. Ma'am, bin. Yes, very good. Good job. Okay, this is a bin. Which color bin? Pink color bin. Okay, where we used to throw the waste. जहाँ पे आप waste गिरते हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is a bin. Okay, and what is this? This is a wig. I told you again. What is this? This is a wig. है ना? What is it? This is a wig. Okay, now one by one you have to write the correct words for the given picture. So we will start from here. This one you have to do by own. You have to trace it properly. Okay, what is this? This is eater sit. Okay, now we will write from here. What is this, students? This is a pit. Per sound come from letter P. Per e the pit. Per eat the pit, right? Okay, now come to the next. What is this? This is a bin. What is this? This is a bin. Bin. E n bin. N sound come from letter N. Bin, right? Oh, okay. What is this? This is a wig. 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 In our previous, sorry, not in our previous, in the upper half of this page. Okay, यहाँ पर जो आपने upper half अभी करा है वहाँ पे you did a word win. Win means जीतना. Okay, and here you do a similar kind of word, but the ending sound is different. What is it? This is wig. Wig means जो आपके artificial hairs होते हैं ना उसको आप wig बोलते हो, right? So this is a wig. There is a difference. What is the difference? Ending sound का difference है. Okay, so students, this is your today worksheet which you have to firstly observe the picture, how you have to do this worksheet. Okay, whenever you start a worksheet, there is not a task that you have to only write it. First of all, you have to understand it. There are the pictures given to you, ताकि आप recognize करो उन pictures को कि उन pictures में क्या है. Okay. Writing doesn't mean that you only have to write. Writing means that first of all you have to observe it, and then you have to understand, and then you have to write. Okay. So whenever you do the writing part, तो सबसे पहले आपको observe करना है what is there in the given worksheet, then you have to understand it, then you have to write it. Okay, these are the three basic steps which you all have to follow while doing the writing part. आई डोंट वांट कि आप बिना अंडरस्टैंड करे, बिना ऑब्जर्व करे वर्कशीट को राइट करते रहो. दैट इज नॉट माई प्रायोरिटी. माई प्रायोरिटी इज कि सबसे पहले आप कंसेप्ट की अंडरस्टैंडिंग रखो, एंड देन यू विल राइट. ओके, विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग अगर आप कुछ लिख रहे हो तो दैट इज ऑफ नो यूज. Fine, students. So that's all for your today's session in English part. Okay. Now I'm giving you some time to complete this worksheet. अगर आपको कोई doubt है, if you have a little bit left with the writing part, तो आप वो complete करो within 2 minutes, and then we will come to your creative part. Yes, you all have to bring out your drawing files for creative part, because in the earlier session I'll introduced you to draw a butterfly with the help of number 3. So what you all have to do is, today we do the coloring portion, so you all have to bring out crayons as well as your drawing files. Hurry up, hurry up. I am watching you all. Make the formation correctly, students. Have you done it? Okay, I hope so that you all have done your worksheet. Okay, after completing it, you all have to capture a picture and share the homework with me. Okay, on time. Next morning, you all have to share your homework on time. Okay, so that's it for your today English session. Now we will come towards your today creative session. Okay, so students, hurry up, bring out your drawing files as well as the crayons, because today what we will do, today we do coloring in your worksheet. Okay, fine. So first of all, let's color your butterfly. So I'm taking a yellow color for doing it in face. So students, again I'm sharing it with you that you all have to do the coloring in same direction. Okay, आप same direction में coloring करोगे. ओके, एंड डोंट टेक आउट कलर आउट ऑफ द इमेज. ठीक है, अगर आप धीरे धीरे करोगे और ध्यान से करोगे विद फुल फोकस, विद फुल कंसंट्रेशन, सो आपकी कलर्स, आपके जो कलर्स है दैट would not came out of the image. Okay, so take ample amount of time to do anything, whether you are doing with studies, whether you are doing with the writing part. अगर आप ध्यान से करोगे, कंसंट्रेशन के साथ करोगे और पूरा टाइम लोगे अपना प्रॉपर, तो वो अच्छा लगेगा. ओके, अदरवाइज इफ यू डू इट इन हश रश तो क्या होगा, इट विल नॉट लुक नाइस. फाइन. Okay, so students, I'm doing coloring over here in the middle section as well, and in these patterns I'm using a different color. Coloring you can do as per your choice. You can pick any of your favorite color. There are no foundation that I'm taking the yellow color, so you all have to take the yellow color only. Okay, you can take color of your choice. जो भी आपने कलर चूज करने हैं टू कलर इन योर बटरफ्लाई, you are free to choose those color. Okay, now I'm taking the blue color for these strips. Okay, you can take any of your favorite color. Okay, fine. Now I would like to take red color for these feathers. Okay, so this is the red color, and in these small circles I used to take some different color. So I'm taking yellow again. You can pick any of your favorite color. So I'm doing the yellow color over here again. Okay, and see here the portion is very small. ठीक है, ये जो आपके circles है यहाँ पे portion बहुत small है, तो यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान से करना है. बिकॉज देर इज मोर ऑफ द चांसेस कि आपके कलर बाहर आ सकते हैं. ठीक है, fine. So this one is one more butterfly. So I would like to color it with some different colors. Okay, so I'm taking the purple color over here and here also, and yellow color in the middle wing. Okay, and again I'm taking, which color should I take? I think I would like to take the red color for this. Okay, and yellow color again for the face of my butterfly. So students, these are the two butterflies which look so beautiful after coloring, because colors makes our life beautiful. So you also have to choose color correctly and make this art sheet a beautiful one. Okay, so my art sheet is ready. You also have to make it very beautiful by doing coloring. Okay, I'm giving you some time to complete your art sheet. Again, I'm repeating the process of doing coloring. You all have to take ample amount of time. Okay, coloring करने का basic 3 steps होते हैं which you have to follow. First, that you have to take ample amount of time. ठीक है, आप ध्यान से करो, फुल कंसंट्रेशन के साथ करो और अपना टाइम लो उसको करने में. इंटरेस्ट के साथ अगर आप कोई भी चीज करते हो तो वो अच्छी लगती है. ठीक है, तो टेक एम्पल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. देन second thing is that whenever you do coloring, you have to do the same डायरेक्शन. ओके, हमेशा सेम डायरेक्शन में अगर आप कलरिंग कर रहे हो तो इट विल गिव अ गुड टेक्सचर टुवर्ड्स योर आर्ट शीट. okay, if you are doing it in different direction so it will not look nice. Okay, the third thing is that you don't have to take out colors out of the image. Okay, जो आपकी boundary lines है, like see this butterfly, this black is the boundary line. So if you don't have to take out color out of this boundary line, इससे आप बाहर नहीं लेके आओगे. So these are the 3 simple steps which you have to follow in each and every worksheet while doing coloring. Okay, so that's it for your today's session, students. Let me come back. Okay, so in this session, we have done our English subject as well as our creative subject. In English, we are doing our writing session, okay, and in our creative, we do coloring in our art sheet. So that's it for today. We will meet in our next session, students. Till then, you have to revise your concept, and if you have any doubts, so you are feel free to ask me. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.